Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this retro scalping session. While we spill some beans. Beans? Yes, we are gonna spill something. We're gonna spill the tea, not beans. I don't know what the saying is, but we're gonna talk some shit here. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what to do in these videos. You smash that like button and you pay attention and you never blink. Keep your eyes peeled. Anyways, let's go. US Tech 100. Scalping. This new, it's a new genre Americans are getting into as well, because for the first time in history, the last 3-4 years, they're able to trade and scalp with like funded programs, and that's great for a lot of Americans, right? Because it's new, right? And you don't use a lot of money, and they were able to do it with stocks, and they had like a 25,000 limit of scalping, or now they could just go buy a funded program and scalp with a funded program for Americans. But a lot of Americans, because it's a new market, a lot of funded programs are targeting it, and it's so lucrative. But for the trader who doesn't know anything, let me tell you guys something. Around 98% of you will not make money in it. You'll probably blow up these accounts. And actually, not just Americans, even this with scalping, you'll probably blow up the accounts. Do you know why? I'll let you answer that in the comments below. But for me, I'm good at what I do. I'm not gonna blow up my account, but I do have a lot of accounts blown up before. Look guys, let me just answer it without most people will blow up their account because there's limitations on these accounts. This here isn't the actual market. This is the broker. You're trading against the broker. So it's not actually, I'm not trading against the market. With a funded account, same thing. You're actually trading against the broker. They lose money when you make money. So that's another reason why I guess there will be limitations in place. So you want to be under the radar. You want to make money, but you don't want to make like stupid crazy money. You know, you want to make just enough to just make enough and bail. Here's a short position open, because we're going all the way to this level. So basically guys, what we're gonna do here is take this short we took already. We're gonna hit this level, and as soon as we hit this level, I will take the profit. That will, like, this is gonna be like a 5 points kind of trade, maybe more, I don't know. But this is dancing candle, so I should be very careful of this. But this setup is a little bit in my favor. Hold on, did I do a sell or a buy here? Sometimes, oh thank God, it's a sell position. Yeah, sometimes you mess up, right? Pressing the wrong button. Yeah, so this new genre of scalping is great, guys, for content creators, but just be careful as a scalper. You know, you should be careful. You should be careful of how you trade with platforms you use, and just know that most traders will become gamblers because it's so easy just to spiral down. You will spiral. Oh, beautiful. Come on, Cletus. That was 60. Oh, $10. I was 60 up. I took $10. My God. Anyways, we did we touch 95? We did, yeah. But I don't know if this is gonna be. See, I lowered my my time frame to 5, and I'm going 15 now. Yeah. So most likely it will come here to 83. But it's such a, yeah. See this? If I just held it, guys, it would have been up $150 now. But anyways, I like to be safe. I'm not paying commission here, so I'm good. How you guys liking the retro music in the background? Right, I'm gonna hit a buy position here, 15, and I have my stop loss of 15. Okay, so what I'm thinking with this is, because there's so many support levels here, you can see, especially this one. Oh, you really had to be quick on this one. $55 this time we made it work. By the way, volatility is low right now, so just made $60. Yeah, you wanna be smart in this game of scalping, guys. Everybody, like, when I tell you guys to scalp, I tell you to do it with small capital. Don't do it large. Don't do it large. Not here, not with scalping. Stay small. $5,000, $10,000 max, euro or pounds, just for your own good. And you'll know one day, and you'll say, thank you, Zed, you saved me so much money. The reason why is because you're a high net worth trader, you become a risk to a platform. So they're gonna do whatever they want to do to try and put you at a disadvantage. Whether it's clicking a button and send you straight to trade with the market directly, where you get slippages and you get just, I don't know, bad behavior in the market. But even this, right, sometimes your stop losses are very, very tight. And somehow it's like there's an algorithm that knows where your stop loss is, and it always takes you out. So all of these things you have to be very careful of, guys. Trade small, stay small, win small, and accumulate, pull money out slowly. You're under the radar. You know what I mean? Even if a platform is regulated, I'm gonna be very careful. And just don't spiral down. A lot of people do spiral down eventually, guys, because it's so easy just to keep going and trading and scalping. Anyways, this is a buy position. So here's the retest. So I expect 2188 to come about here. This is the resistance. We're about to hit this. So I'm gonna open the sell right here. So this is my resistance on 10 minutes. Let me see, 15. I expect the retest to come about. Just low here, maybe. A retest. Okay. On that retest, this candle's nothing, right? You usually get this after a big sell-off. You usually get like a green candle. It will push. Your job is to guess, not guess, but wait for it at the top based on the resistance lines. Now there may be a couple of resistance lines on each. So there it is. You see this? So this candle should turn slightly red, and that's where I'll close it. So I need it just there. You see? See the way it's fighting for its life here. Knowing candle and momentum will serve you right, guys, long term. Even if you swing trade stocks, you just know the behaviors, you know where the market is heading, you know. Anyways, here we go, guys. $48 secured. Beautiful. That's over $100 today in this scalping session. And you see this? We're heading towards this this setup, this level I kind of showed you earlier. It's 86 level. Because there's so many support levels, you just have to expect these bounces. Alrighty, guys, but I'm gonna leave it here. $100 now pre-market, and then $500 on market open. And I make these videos only when I'm recording. So, or I trade only when I'm recording. most cases, guys, I scalp. So this is it helps me to stay in control. And whenever I make nice trades, I probably will withdraw it. Okay, guys, that's me done. Appreciate you for watching. If you watched to the end, smash that like button, and hopefully you learned a thing or two in these videos. Bye.